Let me show you how to create this cool sphere in just a few minutes. Press Shift-A and select text. Go to Edit Mode, press Ctrl-A and type the discount symbol. Go to the Font section in the Text Data Properties and choose your desired font. Select Geometry and give the text an extrude and depth. Right-click on the object and choose Convert to Mesh. Press Shift-A and create a sphere. From the Particles tab, add particles to the sphere and select Hair. Turn on the Advanced option. Go to the Render section. Select the object, then select the discount object. Click on Source and select Volume. Select both objects, press Ctrl-A and choose All Transforms. Go to the Render section and enable the Object Rotation option. Increase the size of the particles from the Scale section. Enable the Rotation option and adjust the orientation of the symbols. Finally, adjust the scale and rotation until you get the desired result. First, add a material to the sphere. Set the transmission to 1 and reduce the roughness. Then, add a red-colored material to the symbol. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for quick Blender tips. Thanks for watching.